Hi, my name is Seyi Omotunde. I'm a 10X medal certified. And in the next 10 to 5 minutes, I'm going to be talking to you about global digital business blueprint, how you can leverage on internet 100% to start your global wellness business. Just to get started, in the last 10 years, when people want to do business online, it's usually about getting started and telling family and friends, physical meeting, hotel lobby, also limit to your locality, follow up, endless paperwork. With 10x system, you'll be able to get visibility 100% online. You're going to be able to do that on Meta platform, Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, including Google platform as well. You are going to now have online training if you want to create funnel, reach people in over 38 countries, which is an instant reach. Instant reach in case that your business is not going to be border independent, location independent. You can operate anywhere you are. You are going to have an automated digital office and you are going to start building global e-commerce dropshipping, global e-commerce dropshipping. As we move on, I'm going to be explaining details of how you get started with each of these points that I've mentioned. To get started with this $1 billion engine in your pocket, we are going to be partnering with NeoLife. NeoLife, you want to get to know more about that, it's www.neolife.com. NeoLife has been in the system for over 60 years with clinical research that have handled a lot of research and development in manufacturing and quality control. NeoLife is going to be the supplier of the products across the 38 countries. So you don't need to be thinking of stocking products. So you don't need to buy any products. You don't need to have a warehouse. All the product is already on the warehouse. All you just have to do is to leverage on your digital tools when an order is being placed on e-commerce website, which you are going to get for free. A global e-commerce website. I'm going to show you exactly how the global e-commerce website it looks like, how people are going to be placing order, people that are already in the business, how the order have been happening. You are going to see all that as we progress. Then when you get started, you are going to have an unfair advantage. How do I call it the unfair advantage? You are not just going to start doing the business, you are going to get a digital marketing education to master meta ads mastery, video marketing, search engine optimization, and how you can do e-commerce drop shipping. In this case, you are going to be focusing on wellness. If you go to Google, if you go to ChatGPT or any AI application out there to search for niches where you people top niches, maybe top 10 niches or top three niches, you're always going to be seeing health and wellness there. You're going to be seeing skincare there. So in your life are products around healthcare, home care, and skincare. So all these things are already for you. So you are going to be learning how to position your e-commerce blogging with search engine optimization to rank your new life website on Google search and attract organic leads, organic clicks. So just in case you are wondering what's organic links that you don't have, links that you don't even have to pay for, you just leverage on digital marketing education, which you are going to get for free after this, you get started with this business. So your business, just to remind you, is going to be running 100% online, zero borders. 100% online. So irrespective of anywhere you are around the world, even if you are not among 38 countries, there's also a way to go about it. So you are going to be building a business of hard currency, building it on your smartphone, multiple currency. For example, if you're in US, you're going to be earning in USD. If you're in GDP, you are in UK, you are going to be earning in dollars. You are in any of the Northern America, North Europe, you are going to be earning um, in Europe as well. So you can work from anywhere. You don't need office. You don't need to commute from one place to another. You don't need any physical inventory. You can do this at your own time. You can do it as a part-time. Take note, this does not affect whatever you are already doing. Maybe you are currently working, you're already on a shift. Again, I used to even tell people that this is even a good business to start with, especially even if you are already going through, going near to your retirement rate. This could be your plan B. This could be a lot of people after retirement, they don't know what to do. This could be you building your retirement home-based business, ready, location independent, even before the time comes. So how do you get started and how do you scale with your income? So what you are going to do is You can earn money in different aspects of this 100% online e-commerce business with 10x bonus. How do you get started with that? When you get started, immediately you can earn from the profit. So you are going to mark up all the products on your website. So for example, you're selling a product for a $30 and it's being shipped from the NeoLife warehouse anywhere around the world for $20. So on that particular one, that is instant profit of $10. That is just a typical example. Some are more than that, depend on how you want to go on that. Those are the things you are going to learn immediately after you get started. You can also leverage on network of other people's that you are doing when you decide to build a business. You don't necessarily need to think of starting building a business, but if something is so good, you can also build a business in that. So, but the first aspect, which is a major aspect of this, is you don't have to handle any products. So this is a NeoLife dropship. So NeoLife dropship them for you. Let me repeat that. NeoLife dropships product for you anywhere around the world. This is a scenario. You have a website, you've learned, you have your visibility anywhere around the world. People go online, they see the product, they place order, receive the order in your email, you push the order to the NeoLife with the customer detail. NeoLife pick up the detail, send the product to them, pay the difference between you have automatically, immediately, instant profits of difference between that. For example, it's been sold for 35, you got it from the NeoLife for 15, you have that automatically. Then, also depending on the volume, you still have extra income bonus. You have it in your dashboard. Yes, you're going to have a dashboard. Those are the part of things that I actually talk about. Then only that, you are now thinking of how do you drive traffic? You are going to learn with 10x bonus to scale your business. And these are things that I've been doing in more than 7 years right now. So I have several examples that I'm going to show you, people that are already doing this and how they are leveraging on digital platform. So NeoLife is not just a business, it has been a system, it has been a leader in the business for over 60 years, operating in over 50 countries. And why am I saying 38 countries? I'm saying 38 countries because 38 countries is the only country that is available digitally as at this time, where you can do this digitally. It's not all countries that you can actually do this digitally right now. And NeoLife have taken a whole lot of burden over you. You don't need to be thinking of imports, of anything. You don't need to stock any product, like I said earlier, and that's it. So after that, imagine combining that opportunity. You now combine it with 10 years mentorship, where you can be able to create a personalized meta ads. You can be able to also use a digital proven system. You're also going to be an expert in social media strategy. This knowledge are not just knowledge for only this. These are knowledge that you can also use for any other business you are into. Like I said, you don't have to resign your job, you don't have to leave your business, but this is what you can do. So if you think you are ready to get started with this right now, as you're watching this, all you just have to do is you look at the bottom section of this landing page. The bottom section of this landing page, you will see where you can select your country. Select your country. Registration in different country is different based on the currency as well. So select the country, click your country. It will take you to a registration page. You pick up a kit offer, anyone you want to start with. Yes, you start with it, anyone you want to start with. After you start with that, you see a WhatsApp link at the bottom right of this same page, depending on the kind of device that you're using. You'll be able to reach out to me that you are done with the registration and you want to unlock your meta ads and video marketing training, so that I'm going to do that full setup for you. You can also be on one-on-one call with me so that I can put you through how you can start earning in your first month in the business when you get ready with this. Remember, this is location independent business. You don't have to leave whatever you are doing right now. So after you are done with that, in the first 24 hours, you're going to activate, you're going to have your personalized global e-commerce website. Just like saying you are having a kind of Amazon kind of things that personalized with whatever name that you choose during registration. And this name is also susceptible to change. Then you are going to have that. Then we're going to build that for you. You don't need to know how to build a website. You don't need to know how to write any code. You don't need to know how to build everything. All this is 100% done for you. So I'm just going to onboard you into the 10X. When I onboard you to the 10X to get started with your meta marketing setup, then strategy section to select what kind of SEO we're going to do so that you can start making money. Then you're going to join a live business and see how your front shop works across the 28 countries and how you can begin to fly in this global wellness business opportunity. So now, if you think you want to also have a kind of booking to talk to me, or you want a clarity call, you have any question or concern, you can reach out to me directly on WhatsApp. Just you can do that through the number. You can do that through the scan code on the screen. You can also do that at the bottom right this uh, of this training. So you see that depending on the type of device that you are using, then I'll be able to put you that. So like I told you, let me just show you some of these things. So how is it going to be when you get started, and how are you going to have visibility? Then some of you might be wondering, is this something that actually people are buying? Yes, how will you know? So let me just show you a simple data. So your website is going to be connected to Google Search Console. Just imagine you are thinking of what is Google Search Console. So it's just to track to see the data that are valuable for this business. So let me quickly go to my Google Search Console just for you to see that. So I can say console. So I'm going straight away to my Google Search Console right now, just for you to see it on the Google Search Console, which you are going to have yours. So here now, I'm going to quickly select any of the websites. So can you see that? So look at this now, performance. So you're going to have this. So this is just to let you know, is this product, is it in demand? These are products that are actually 100% in demand. People are looking for it all around the world. So this is just going to give you an idea of, can you look at this now? 119,000 impressions. What are people looking for? Where are they coming from? That's to tell you how in demand this product is. You can see the clicks. You can see what people are looking for around the world. You can see the top query, NeoLife product, Genetic product. Genetic is a former name for people, baby boomer that have known this for long. They still call it that NeoLife. They actually Genetic mean Golden NeoLife Diamond. So NeoLife is a new brand name right now. As you can see here now, you can see different keywords that people are asking. And if you go to the page, you see different page on the global e-commerce website that people are checking product for. It's also going to give you an insight of what kind of product that people are looking for. Then you see the country where people are searching for. You can see Nigeria, Ghana, Tanzania, Cameroon, Uganda, Kenya, Sierra Leone, United States, South African, Italy. This is just one of that. Let me check another landing page for that so that you can see what I'm talking about. So you are going to be operating 100% online. Your decision is going to be backed by data. It's not assumption. It's not writing the list of who is this. So you remember that one, 190,000 impressions. Look at this one, 47K. So in a month, there's over 500K traffic coming, people asking for this. So look at another country in this sense again, Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, Cameroon, Lithuania. Remember, you are operating global business. 38 countries around the world. It's a global business. So what you are doing is, these are part of things you are going to learn in 10x, right? These are part of things you are going to learn. So what you are doing is you are positioning your business on search engine, on AI. So right now, if people search from AI, maybe ChatGPT or any AI, your business will pop up. Someone will decide to even send you a WhatsApp message. Oh, I saw this. How can you get? You just send them the link, appropriate link for their own country, because what you have is a global business. Let me show you a typical example of how your front shop will look like. So this is the front shop, right? And you're going to get this automatically instantly. So when you click here now, can you see all the countries, these are 38 countries that I talked about, and anybody can buy them and NeoLife will ship to that particular country, except some African countries which also have their means of delivery, either through FedEx, either through pickup location. All these are going to be, but if you're in US, UK, or any other part of the Europe, not Europe, anywhere, that those areas already ripe for e-commerce. Everything is 100%. You don't even need to touch anything. You don't need to touch anything. You just wake up, you see your business running on autopilot after everything that have been set up for you. So this is just to show you an examples of what it is, what is available. You can see I told you about that their wellness business. This wellness business, you have product ranges from healthcare, skincare, and home care. And these are products that people are looking for. So again, to say top, so if you type like this, top 10 uh, drop shipping link, drop shipping products. So you see what people are looking for. So let's even go by Shopify. You know Shopify, right? Shopify is a global e-commerce business place as well. So let's just check this now. Let's check this. I want to see if you can just see something on a glance instead of looking for order. So you see, let's see what we have here now. You can see beauty and skincare, number two. So those are part of what you are going to be. So you can see now. So this is one of the best niches that you can have when it's come to drop shipping. So you can see that number two, beauty and personal care. So let me show you that. For example, maybe I switch to US or Canada or anywhere. So you're going to see beauty. Can you see personal care? These are products that are 100% on demand. Skincare, see them? Even healthcare. So that is where you are playing. And you don't need to do anything. You don't need to know how to design any website. All this is already being done for you. It's 100% done for you. All you just have to do is select your country. So this is the landing page, seyomotunde.com, just in case you forgot, seyomotunde.com/business, just in case you get to this place and you're wondering. So after you watch this video here, this is where you select your country. And if your country is not here, for example, I have some people showing up from Gambia. So there's a way a nearest country can actually ship into the Gambia. So you can see here now. So so you just select your countries, whether you're from Denmark, Estonia, Romania, anywhere you are around the world. So when you select this, and it's take it straight. For example, now, if I select United Kingdom right now, it takes you to United Kingdom. So these are different kits here. You can see different kits here. So anywhere you want to start with, you can start with anyone of your choice. Everything have the same privilege. You'll be able to do all that and have a website and the back office. Then I'm going to walk you through in the 10x training how to move forward with this. So just select this. The same way with other countries. So let's say I'm selecting South Africa here. Just want to do Europe, North American, and Africa. Select South Africa. As you can see, different keys. So just select anyone you want to start with. It also have the same privilege. Then let me select United States. See that now? So anywhere you are around the world, and like I said, if your country is not on the list, just click on the WhatsApp button here at the bottom right, or whatever it is showing on your screen, and we get started with it. Thank you for listening. I see you on the WhatsApp. I see you on the other side. I see you get ready with 10x training.